Hey guys, it's me. I don't usually start these videos in the vlog, but I figured I would today. I'm going to do a review and all-day wear test for you guys today on this foundation. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. This is their newest one that they just released. I went out and I bought this with my own money. That sounded way over the top. I know people have been getting like 12 shades in this, but I just wanted to let you know I bought it with my own money and I'm gonna review it for you. I actually wore this yesterday. I didn't want this to be like just a first impression for you. I wanted this to be, you know, have a little bit more of a basis than that. So anyway, I wore it yesterday. I was super surprised at the coverage. It's so full coverage and it left my skin looking like almost blurred and photoshopped when I first put it on. But that's not what this is about. You know my channel. This is about, will my oily skin destroy it by the end of the day or not? And I am going to probably be wearing this for over 12 hours today. It's currently 10:15. I just need to, my hair is half blow dried. I need to finish blow drying my hair and then I'm gonna put it on. So I'll probably have this on by 11 o'clock. So if you're new here, welcome. I have super duper oily skin and I love to test out foundations on this channel for those of you that have oily skin to see if you want to purchase them or not, if it'll work on your oily skin. This foundation I got in the shade Medium Nude 215. I really liked the way it looked when I put it on and I assume I'm gonna like it again today. But you'll see by the end of the day how it actually looks on my skin. Normally I like to test things that are like, hey, we'll keep you oil-free all day. This one is just a foundation that I was just interested in. I've not tried an IT Cosmetics foundation product since the beginning of my channel, which has been a very long time. And so when this came out, I was like, yeah, I really want to give that a shot. It does say that this foundation is your long-wearing, flawless-looking velvet matte finish foundation that provides weightless full coverage, plus up to 24 hours of wear and hydration. Perfect for even sensitive skin and infused with ceramides, peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, and squalane. This oil-free foundation covers the look of blemishes, redness, dark spots, and other imperfections without creasing or cracking to give you all-day confidence every time you wear it. I love the idea of it having so much skincare in it. And the only claim there is that it provides up to 24-hour wear, which could mean anything really, and that it won't crease or crack. So at the end of the day, when I'm telling you what I think about it, keep in mind, those are the only things that they actually claim. And that also it's a velvet matte finish and full coverage, which it definitely has. Those things are absolutely true. So hopefully you have seen me within an overlay applying this, because that's what I'm about to do right now. And I'll come back and you'll be able to see it in natural light. Okay, so here is what it looks like in natural light. Oh, I love this highlighter. I'm about to film a haul with this highlighter in it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. The one thing that I noticed the previous time that I wore it, and I'm noticing today, is I do feel like I'm very blurred, like real life Photoshop looking, do you know what I mean? So you're not seeing a ton of pores. I don't know, I have pores. You're not seeing like a ton of texture or anything like that. Like it just looks really, really perfected. It is very full coverage, so it's not going to be like your real skin shining through. It's still going to be foundation. And yesterday what I noticed all day long was that every time I blotted my skin, the foundation was transferring onto, like, I was using just like paper towel, it was transferring. So I'm going to see if that happens again today, and you'll see the whole day starting now. Hey guys, I think you can see that it's 4:54. I am taking my break. I did a little close-up earlier of what my face looked like, and it's been another hour and a half since then. What I wanted to show you is the transfer that I get from this, because I did blot my face earlier and I kind of feel like I want to again, and I kind of did it a little bit before, and I noticed, see, can you see? So it's like the blotting is happening, but then also you're getting like the orange pigment. You're getting the pigment transferring, see? So I know maybe it's a little bit gross, but to those of you that really like want to know this stuff, it's important because I am getting like a lot of it. So there is my face fully blotted, and I think you can see like the actual pigment is transferring, not just the oil. But I mean, look at it, it's holding up pretty well after being blotted. It's not like coming off my face when I blot, which is good. Like, it's not actually wiping off my face or anything like that. So it's still holding up pretty good. But again, this is 5 o'clock. There's still like, we definitely have at least 5 more hours to go, probably more like 5.5. So I probably won't check in again before that. We'll just see how it is by the end of the day. Hey guys, it's Drea. So it's 9:57. I figured I'd just make this my very last check-in because my husband is about to pick me up and I am tired. I want to eat. I'm starving. Anyways, you can see, I know this is not the best light, but it's not ever going to be the best light at night. I think you can tell the foundation is still looking pretty good on the face. I feel like it's maybe broken down slightly. Come on, focus. See how I have this pigmentation right here? That's like a acne scar. I feel like it's broken down just a little bit there and like around my nose, but even on my chin I think it's held up pretty good. Usually my chin is where it's gonna go because I always do this, but look at the cheek, how pretty it still looks on the cheek. I did blot again one more time after the last time I talked to you, and I will say this, no foundation feels great on my skin after 10 hours. Like, this one doesn't feel fantastic. I feel like I want to wash my face, but I think that's kind of the same with any foundation that I use. I always kind of want to wash my face by the end. Is that him? He's here. All right, so I gotta go. That's it for this video. Overall, I do think this is a good foundation, especially if you have oily skin and you need something that's gonna last a really long time. I hope that this really helps you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.